garden go, new fingers stir the sod. A troubadour upon the elm betrays the solitude. New children play upon the green, new weary sleep below. And still the pensive spring returns, and still the punctual snow. The pedigree of honey does not concern the bee. A clover any time to him is aristocracy. Pink, small and punctual, aromatic, low. Covert in April, candid in May. Dear to the moss, known by the gnome, next to the robin, in every human soul. Oh, little beauty, bedecked with thee, nature forswears antiquity. The pedigree of honey does not concern the bee. A clover any time to him is aristocracy. The murmur of a bee, a witchcraft yieldeth me. If any ask me why, 'twere easier to die than tell the red upon the hill taketh away my will. If anybody sneer, take care, for God is here, that's all. The breaking of the day addeth to my degree. If any ask me how, artists who drew me so must tell. The pedigree of honey does not concern the bee. A clover any time to him is aristocracy. Perhaps you like to buy a flower, but I could never sell. If you would like to borrow, until the daffodil unties her yellow bonnet beneath the village door, until the bees from Clover Rose their hock and sherry draw, why, I will lend until just then, but not an hour more.
A pedigree of bee, a woodcraft yieldeth me. If any ask me why,